Right, look at it. Look up. Just look up. Look.
Hello. Are you guys cute? What you doing there, silly one? Listen to it. Peekaboo. Hi, sweethearts. Are you guys so cute? Huh? You guys so cute? Huh? You're beautiful. Hi, little baby birds. What you guys doing? Hi, cockatiels. Hello, baby bird. I see you. I see it. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, you guys are so cute. It's just a baby. Look at it. What you guys doing? Nothing cute? Look at it. Oh, hello. Dang, I can't stand it. What is it doing? Look at it. He's happy. He's a happy little baby. Are you a happy little baby? I want to pet you, but we can't touch you. Huh?
Is that a real bird?
Hi. What do you want? Hi, sweetheart. They're so cute.
Cockatiels are a great bird.
They are, right?
They're funny.
Mine loves me to death. The minute I walk out of the room, it cries.
We can't say its name. We have to say the letter C.
Hi. What are you doing? What happened down there? Look. Oh, look at them. Hi. Huh? Look at them. Yo.
Wait, is it awake now? Is that back to normal?
Oh, look.
Are they precious or what?
Yes. Hello, little ones. Hi, birds. Hello.
So let's get a whole bunch of them.
You're pretty. You're so pretty. Where are you going? What you guys doing?
Babies are cracking me up. They're pretty young too, right?
Yes. and the tiger there, the yellow.
We'll do it. She's doing everything. The yawning. What are you doing?
I just double checked.
Is she being scared? Or the baby's doing the same thing. Look.
So you just bring it in the shoe and it just hangs out?
Yeah.
Look at that little thing.
I know
Baby,
that.
right?
How old's the bird? How old's the bird?
Ah, come here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
She's on 9.
Hello, sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. I don't think he likes the camera.
You're all right. Can you take a picture of your cutie?
You're so cute.
Let's take it. No. I'm gonna hold you. Take a picture.
You're so cute.
Yeah. See the neck? Don't touch me. Oh no.
Wow.
That was a cute bird.
That means I'm gonna bite you if you touch me.
Look at that.
You're cute.
You taught him how to do
Yeah,
that?
those green eyes.
No, he does it. That's what birds do.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
For defense, you mean? Or
For defense and tail.
Oh, so he's
warning.
probably scared from the camera. Where are you going? Huh? You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You're so cute. Huh? Are you beautiful? Are you beautiful?